Hello guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to book an inspection on NTSA portal in eCitizen. Okay, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and for more engaging content. Okay, so let's get started. So first things first, go to eCitizen using your browser, whatever you use, Chrome, Edge, or whatever it is that you use. Type ecitizen.go.ke. That's the official eCitizen website, and as you can see on your screen, that's how it looks like. Click on sign in. Okay, once you click on sign in, it's going to ask you for your email address or ID number and your password. These are your login details to eCitizen, so enter the ones you use. If it's the email address, enter your email address and your password. If you use the ID number, enter your ID number and then enter your password, then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to ask you where you want to receive an OTP, that is one-time password. So whether to your email or to your phone number, depending on what you have access to. For the purpose of this tutorial, I used the phone number, so click on whatever you have access to. So once you receive the OTP, whether to your email address or to your phone number, enter it and then click on next. It's going to open your eCitizen account. Please confirm that you're using your account. Confirm all the details are yours. Okay. So once you have confirmed that you are using your eCitizen account, scroll down and click on NTSA. There are two NTSA. This is the old one and the new one. So please note this and click on NTSA new. Okay. Again, it's going to ask you to confirm that you're using your account and your details. If it's you, click on continue. If not, click on log out and then repeat the process. So once you click on NTSA New, it's going to open the NTSA New portal. This is how it looks like, as you can see on your screen. So remember, we are booking an inspection. So at the top menu over there, there's Home, Services, Application History, Inspections, and Notification. So click on Inspections. Once you click on inspections, it's going to open the motor vehicle inspection. So click on apply for inspection. If you have more than one vehicle, just choose the vehicle that you're going to apply an inspection for. Okay. Once you click on apply inspection, it's going to show you your vehicle details. Confirm that the details are correct. Again, scroll down and confirm that the details are correct. At the bottom there is the type of inspection. So choose the type of inspection that you want. For this one, it's annual. So once you have chosen, click on submit. So once you click on submit, it's going to ask you to pay for the service. The inspection for annual is usually 1050 shillings. So choose the payment mode you are going to use. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use M-Pesa. So if you're using M-Pesa, click on M-Pesa. If you're going to use KCB, click on KCB, and so forth and so forth. Okay. Once you click on M-Pesa, it's going to give you two options. You can use the M-Pesa pay bill, that is, you go to your phone, choose M-Pesa, Lipa na M-Pesa pay bill, and enter the details as they are shown there. Please remember that they are different for every account, okay? So use the ones that you're going to see on your screen. If you want to use M-Pesa Express, click on the here, the one underlined in red and blue, okay? So click on here. It's going to ask you for your phone number, and then it's going to send a prompt to your phone where you just have to enter the PIN and it will automatically pay the amount that you're supposed to pay. Okay, so once you're done and you receive a successful message from M-Pesa, click on complete, and congratulations, you have successfully paid for your annual inspection. So the next thing is download your receipt, print a copy or keep a copy for your reference, and then click on book now to book the day of the inspection. Okay, so once you click on book now, it's going to open the inspection booking page. Choose an inspection center, okay, where you want the inspection to be conducted. Okay, Once you choose an inspection center, the calendar is going to appear and you can choose the day you want to go for inspection. All the dates highlighted in white are the available dates which you can choose. So if the date is not highlighted in white, please note that you cannot choose that day, okay? So you can only choose the day that are highlighted in the dates that are highlighted in white. So choose the one you want and then click on complete booking, okay? Okay, and congratulations, you have successfully booked for an inspection. So make sure you download and print your booking slip for your reference, okay? So so that you can print it or keep a copy for yourself, okay? So once you download your booking slip, this is how it looks like. Remember to go to the inspection on the date that you have chosen. You can always reschedule if you are not available on that date. So congratulations and thank you for joining me on this video on how to book for inspection on eCitizen NTSA portal. My name is Catherine and I have been your guide throughout this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. We post informative content on how to access online services, including government services in Kenya. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.